everyone. In Year 5 we've been doing arithmetic each week, and it'll be a shame to lose all the amazing knowledge that you have and the practice that you've been doing. So I thought that I'd do a series of arithmetic sessions on YouTube that you could watch when you wanted. Today we're going to look at addition. So if you can look at these calculations, I've got 8 there for you, and just pause this so that you can complete it. And then once you've completed it, just press play and we can go through the answers together. Okay, so now you've done that, I'm just going to go over here. Let's just go through each one and what method you might use. As I've said before, the job of a teacher is just to give you a range of strategies and you can just choose what's best for you. So my way might not be the way that you do it, but you're using all the different strategies that you've been taught. So for this first one, if I look at it, for me, the best way would probably be column addition. So I would just put, making sure that in the right columns, both got thousands there. And then I do 9 plus 8, so what I would do is 10 plus 8 is 18, but I'm doing 9 plus 8, so you take away 1, so that's 17. Put the 1 there, put the 7 over there, put 0 and then 1, which is 1. 6 and 1 is 7, and 3 and 4 is 7. So the answer to that one is 7,717. Okay, let's go for number 2 now. Now, lots of people for this one might try column addition. For me, that's not the easiest, quickest and most efficient way. I would look at those numbers there. So if I've got 69 plus 100,000, all I'd do, so I've got 100,000, I need to add 69 to it. All I would do is think, I'm replacing the 0, so that's the 10s and that's the 1s there. What I would do is literally change that 0, that's 60, change that to a 9. So that's the answer, 100,069. So that's the answer for that one. Now, ones like this often confuse children in tests because the equals is what people would say is the wrong way round. It's not the wrong way. Equals doesn't mean always the answer, it means the same as. So that's literally just saying 9,810 plus 95 equals what? It doesn't matter where the equals was. For me, I wouldn't use column addition for that one, although you could. I would just add 100 to that. So this is what I would do in my head, like on a number line. 9,810. I'd straight away jump 100, which is 9,910. But I'm only doing 95, so I'll just then take away 5, which is 9,000. So I'm just going to take away 5. 9,905. Okay, number 4, 3,809. Literally the same as before. I'm just going to change that into a 9. That's how I would do it, like that. So the answer is, I'll just put that back down there, 3,809. Now, now we get on to decimals here. 62.8 plus 0.2. This is your place value. So let me just put 62.8 there. Now, if you're doing this column method, which I personally wouldn't do, you have to make sure you've got this in the right place. And then you can do it like that. For me, I'm not going to do that. That's a 0.8 for 62.8 and 0.2. I know that 0.8 and 0.2 equals 1 whole altogether. So let's have a look at what I would do. 62.8 plus 0.2. If I know that 0.8 and 0.2 is a whole, I'm going to add that whole to 62, so that equals 63. Okay, 51.05 plus 1.9. Lots of different ways to do this. I like the number line method for this one, mental maths. I put 51.05. I jump 2, which is, so you've got 51.05 in your head, 52.05, 53.05. But then you've got to think to yourself, I'm not jumping 2, I now need to jump back, Actually, stop. Sorry, I've realised that method may be slightly confusing. There's lots of different methods that you could do. I'm going to show you the column way, just to show that you might have a different strategy. So 51.05. Now, remembering that that's the tenths column, that's the hundredths column. You have to make sure the 1 is in, and that's the ones column there, that's the tens. Making sure that the 1 is in the right column and that the 9 is there. As long as it's all in the right column, it will work. And there, keeping the decimal constant in the same place the whole time. You can put a 0 there if it helps, you can put a 0, it doesn't make a difference. Then you just do it like a normal column addition. 5 plus 0, 9 plus 0, 9. 1 plus 1 is 2. So there we get 52.95. Okay, 89 plus 1.5. Definitely don't need to do column method there. I would partition the 1.5 into a 1 and then 0.5. 89 plus 1 is 90. Plus 0.5 is 0.5. So it's 90.5 over there. And the last one I would do column method here, because it's a large number. But again, I've got to make sure that I've put everything in the right place. So I've got 32,501 plus 7,000. You must make sure it's in the thousands column, not the 10,000s column, and feel free to write the columns down. 7,819, and then you just carry it out the normal way. So 1 plus 9 is 10, put the 1 over there, put the 0 there. 0 plus 1 is 2. 8 plus 5, I'll partition the 5 into a 2 and a 3. So 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 3 more is 13. 7 plus 2 is 9, plus 1 is 10, and 3 plus the 1 is 4. So it's 40,320. Well done for having a go at those. Just to say, as an extension, I would highly recommend the following website for any of the maths that you do. It's called, if you just type into Google, Enrich. That's got loads of investigations, and you can type the age range that you want and the level of challenge. Also, to practice your addition, why don't you write some word problems involving addition for a friend or family member? You can just do it on the phone for a friend, or email it to them, but make sure that you can answer it before you give it to them.